Low water pressure can totally mess up your day, but fixing it is usually way simpler than you think. So first, grab a screwdriver and pop off the faucet aerator, that little screen at the tip. Then clean out any gunk or mineral buildup, because clogged aerators are a classic culprit. Next, make sure the water supply valves under your sink are all the way open, no kidding. Sometimes they get turned down accidentally. If that doesn't do it, check the faucet cartridge inside. It can get clogged or worn out over time, and swapping it out usually brings the pressure back. Also, don't forget to peek at your main water line for leaks or kinks, because even a tiny leak can drop pressure big time. If you've got a whole house water filter, check if it's clogged or needs replacing, since that can slow things down. Another tip: flush your water heater occasionally, because sediment buildup there can choke your flow too. And hey, sometimes city water issues happen, so it's worth calling your local water company to rule that out before tearing everything apart. Lastly, if you're dealing with older pipes, corrosion might be the villain, so considering pipe replacement could save you headaches later on. One of the biggest mistakes people make with low water pressure is ignoring simple fixes like cleaning the aerator. Don't assume it's a huge plumbing problem right away. Another common issue is not checking the supply valves properly. Sometimes they're just slightly closed and cause all that frustration. The third is skipping the faucet cartridge inspection. This part gets overlooked but is often the root of weak pressure. Fix these by starting small. Clean the aerator thoroughly with vinegar and a brush. Double check that valves are fully open by turning them all the way counterclockwise, and replace the cartridge if cleaning it does not help or if it looks damaged. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you want to find reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't ghost you mid-job. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with folks needing work done, so everyone wins when you use their service.